Hi there, and welcome back to Vitality Health Sphere. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about health trends, apple cider vinegar, and its potential benefits for weight loss. Whether you're just curious or already considering adding it to your routine, stick around because we've got the science, tips, and practical advice all wrapped up for you. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV for short, is made from fermented apple juice. During the fermentation process, healthy bacteria and yeast convert sugars into acetic acid, the magic ingredient believed to provide health benefits. But how exactly does this tangy tonic help with weight loss? Let's break it down. Reduces appetite. Studies suggest that acetic acid in ACV may suppress appetite by increasing satiety. This means you'll feel fuller for longer, which can help reduce calorie intake throughout the day. Regulates blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels can reduce cravings and prevent energy crashes that often lead to overeating. Drinking ACV before meals has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. Boosts metabolism. While the effect is mild, some research indicates that ACV may help boost your metabolism, encouraging your body to burn more calories. Aids digestion. ACV promotes healthy digestion by supporting gut health. A healthy gut can play a significant role in overall weight management. Before you start chugging it, let's talk about how to use apple cider vinegar safely and effectively. Dilute it. Always dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. Drinking it straight can damage your teeth and irritate your throat. Timing. The best time to take apple cider vinegar is before meals to help with digestion and appetite control. Consistency is key. Results don't happen overnight. Incorporate apple cider vinegar into your routine as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. And don't overdo it. More isn't always better. Stick to recommended amounts to avoid side effects like stomach upset. There are a lot of myths floating around about apple cider vinegar, so let's set the record straight. Myth: apple cider vinegar melts fat instantly. Fact: apple cider vinegar is not a magic potion. It's a helpful tool when combined with proper diet and exercise. Myth: drinking more equals faster results. Fact: excessive consumption can lead to health issues. Moderation is key. Apple cider vinegar isn't for everyone. If you have conditions like acid reflux, ulcers, or are taking certain medications, consult your doctor before adding apple cider vinegar to your diet. So, is apple cider vinegar the secret to weight loss? Not exactly, but when used correctly, it can be a great addition to a healthy lifestyle. Remember, there's no substitute for balanced eating, regular exercise, and staying consistent. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.